All right guys, we're gonna start off saturating the hair. Go ahead and get it all the way wet down and sectioned out of the way. I'm gonna start off setting the transition zone all the way around the top at the parietal ridge. I'm gonna do a second guideline around the bottom where we're gonna do the clipper work, and then we will cut point to point to connect the two together. Go ahead and connect that middle transition guide to the bottom. We're gonna leave some length at the back. After that, we'll section it down the middle, connect the top to both sides, and then we should be set up to do a loose blow dry and come in and start our clipper work. If you guys want to learn more of this scissor work that I'm doing, this is the DFS formula. Head to dfsformula.com. You guys can save 15% using code Sean15, and there is like 200 something hours on dfsformula.com if you guys want to learn these techniques and take your scissor work to the next level. All right guys, now we're gonna come in and start our taper. I'm gonna start with the number 3. These are the brand new Babyliss FX1 Gold FXs. If you guys did not see the unboxing on those, definitely check it out. One of my favorite clippers right now, and the Low Pro. I'm gonna do some of the fade with the Low Pro, starting off clearing the bulk with the FX1. So we're just gonna take the 3 up into this length. You can see I got the hair laying back out of the way, and then we'll come in and start our taper underneath that. All right guys, so you can see kind of where the 3 transitions to the top. We're gonna look at that same shape and kind of a lower taper. So I'm gonna come down here, punch my guideline in, we'll go ahead and bulb that out. This is the new Low Pro FX1 trimmer. I got an unboxing on the Low Pro set as well. And guys, this whole bundle is just absolutely my favorite stuff right now. Some of the best tools that I've ever used. Now I'll come in with the lever all the way open. Just about a 1/2 inch guideline. Go ahead, bump that up. Then we'll start with our clipper closed and start to take that line out from the bottom. One of my favorite things about this MIM blade is that it will take the bald line out, especially from the Low Pro trimmer. You see it's taking that line out. Now we can go to the 2nd notch or the 3rd notch. I'm gonna go to the 3rd. We're halfway in the section, bump that line out. You guys see we already moved through this open section, nice and easy. I'll come in with the open 1. You guys see I'm stabilizing my other hand, or stabilizing with my other hand. This is just a lot of hair we're cutting into. I just want to be real precise, only cut the hair that I want to cut. So I'm just doing that just to make sure I got a nice, stable, clean cut where I want it. And I'm not going too high. You see barbers getting a little too loose, and we can just butcher all this length. We just did a lot of scissor work to make sure that we have hair where we want it. So now I'm gonna close up the 1. Right underneath, just a little small section, and this line should not come all the way out. We will need the 1/2 guard to take it all the way out, but this should lighten it up, and then we can come in with the 1/2 guard next. 1/2 guard is half open, and all we're looking for is this last little dark line in between. Soften that up, and then we can move on to the number 2. I'm gonna start with the 2 open because I did use the 3 open just to be safe. I'm gonna use the 2 open, make sure I tie into the 3, and then we'll close the 2 up and start to attack that line above the open 1. Last but not least, the 1.5 is all the way closed. Used to use the 1.5 half open, but the Babyliss 1.5 is a slightly different length. So the sweet spot is gonna be all the way closed on the Babyliss 1.5. And then we'll continue to work our way down and just make sure that we're happy with how this looks. Move on to the other side. We can line up just a little bit that we had to line up. I'm gonna do a little bit of a finished final style, and you guys can check out the finished product. All right guys, that is it for the cut. I hope you guys took something away. Like I said, if you want to learn some more scissor work, head to dfsformula.com. A little bit advanced for you guys on the scissor work. Hope you guys enjoyed this finished cut. If you guys want to see the last cut I did on Derek here that was sick and nobody watched, make sure you guys click right there and check that one out.